nung una pa lang, na-recognize mo na kaagad na napalayo ka sa Panginoon, mas madaling ma-restore. But we have to face the reality. Sometimes, pag sobrang layo mo na, or talagang natutunan mo ng mahalin ng lubos yung mga idolo na nasa buhay mo, minsan ang hirap bumalik sa Panginoon. Bakit? May ganito kang mentalidad. I've invested so much already. I've given so much time towards this person already. I've given so much time and effort, and I've invested so much towards this. How can I let go of it now? So ngayon, you have been deceived. I want to warn you, my dear listeners, you have been deceived. Why? The enemy is saying, when you let go of that, kawalan yan. But you've forgotten that you've already lost the greatest treasure that you ever had, and that is the presence of the Lord. You've been separated from Him because of your sin. Kasi pinili mo magrebelde at pinili mo ang kasalanan, pinili mo yung mga foreign gods na yan, those idols, and now, where are you? You are not in the center of God's will anymore.